Wait. So you're telling me you said I'm very hot to your boss?
Yes, and everyone just stared at me.
Oh no, you probably wanted to say it's very hot, right?
Exactly. One tiny mistake, and suddenly I sound weird.
That's why today we're fixing this. Weather talk is simple, but one wrong word, total disaster. Stay with us. By the end, you'll never make this mistake again.
Hey everyone, thanks for listening to our videos. You're listening to Mr. Englishman. I'm Max, and with me here is the always amazing Lily.
Always amazing. You're so sweet today, Max.
I'm always sweet. Okay, today we're talking about the weather.
The weather. Everyone talks about the weather. It's like the number one small talk topic in English.
Exactly. And if you can talk about the weather, you can start any conversation. At work, with strangers, with friends, it's super useful.
But here's the thing. It's easy, but learners make small mistakes that sound really strange.
So today, we'll teach you the right way. Natural phrases, common sentences, and we'll practice together.
By the end of this episode, you'll sound like a native speaker when you talk about the weather. You ready?
Let's go.
Okay, Max, let's start super simple. What's the weather like today?
Today, it's sunny. The sky is blue, no clouds. Beautiful day.
Perfect. So sunny means the sun is shining. Easy, right?
Super easy. Now, what if it's not sunny? What if there are clouds?
Then we say it's cloudy. Cloudy. Clouds everywhere.
Cloudy. Got it. And if water is falling from the sky?
Water falling from the sky? You mean rain?
Yes, rain. If it's raining, we say it's rainy or it's raining.
Both are correct. It's rainy today or it's raining right now.
Nice. And what about when it's really, really cold and white stuff falls?
White stuff? You mean snow.
Yes, snow. It's snowy or it's snowing.
Exactly. Same pattern. You see? Rainy, snowy, sunny, cloudy.
Easy pattern. Now, here's a question for you listeners. Can you say these words out loud? Try it.
Yes, say sunny,
Rainy,
cloudy.
snowy.
Don't be shy. Practice now. We'll wait. We're waiting.
Good. Okay, those are the basics. But now let's make it sound more natural.
So, Max, in real life, we don't just say sunny or rainy, right?
Right. We use full sentences like, it's sunny today.
Exactly. It's is super important. Not the weather is sunny, just it's sunny.
Why not the weather is sunny?
You can say that, but native speakers usually say it's. Shorter, faster, more natural.
Okay, so it's sunny, it's rainy, it's cloudy.
Perfect. Now let's add more detail. What if it's really sunny?
Then I say it's very sunny or it's really sunny.
Yes, or you can say it's beautiful today. That's super common.
Oh, I love that. It's beautiful today. Simple and positive.
And if the weather's bad, like lots of rain?
It's terrible today or the weather is awful.
Yes, exactly. Awful means really bad. British people say this all the time.
Because it rains a lot in Britain.
Hey, that's true actually.
Okay, listeners, try these sentences. Repeat after me. It's sunny today.
It's rainy today.
It's beautiful today.
The weather is awful today.
Great job. You're doing amazing.
All right, now let's talk about temperature. Hot, cold, warm?
Yes, this is where people make mistakes.
Oh, the classic mistake. Tell them, Max.
Okay, many learners say I am hot when they mean the weather is hot.
And that sounds weird.
Very weird, because I am hot means you feel attractive or you have a fever.
Right. So don't say I am hot. Say it's hot.
It's hot today, not I am hot today.
Unless you have a fever, then you can say I feel hot or I'm burning up.
But for weather, always use it's. It's hot. It's cold. It's warm.
Exactly. Let's practice. What's the opposite of hot?
Cold. It's cold today.
And if it's not too hot and not too cold?
Warm. It's warm today.
Perfect. And there's another word, cool. Cool means a little cold, but nice.
Oh, like autumn weather. It's cool today.
Yes, cool is comfortable, not freezing, just nice and fresh.
I love cool weather. So comfortable.
Me too. Okay, listeners, repeat. It's hot today.
It's cold today.
It's warm today.
It's cool today.
Amazing. You're learning so fast.
Okay, wait. Before we continue, let me ask you something.
What?
Do you know the one weather phrase that British people say every single day?
Oh, I know this.
Do you, listeners? Think about it. What do British people always talk about?
Stay with us. We'll tell you in just a minute. Plus, we'll teach you how to complain about the weather like a native speaker.
Complaining is very important.
So important. Don't go anywhere.
All right, let's go deeper. What if the weather is changing?
Good question. We have special phrases for that.
Like what?
It's getting cold. That means the temperature is dropping.
Oh, nice. It's getting cold. The weather is changing.
Exactly. Or it's getting warmer. The temperature is rising.
What about clouds? Can I say it's getting cloudy?
Yes, perfect. It's getting cloudy means clouds are coming.
And if the sun is coming out?
It's clearing up. That means the clouds are going away.
Oh, I love that phrase. It's clearing up.
Super useful, especially in Britain, where the weather changes every 5 minutes.
Every 5 minutes.
I'm serious. 1 minute it's raining, next minute it's sunny.
Crazy. Okay, what about wind? How do we talk about wind?
Good question. We say it's windy.
Just like rainy and snowy. Easy.
Yes, but if there's a lot of wind, we say it's really windy or it's blowing a gale.
Blowing a gale? What does that mean?
A gale is a very strong wind, so blowing a gale means super windy.
That's such a British phrase.
It is. Now listeners, try saying it's getting cold.
It's clearing up.
It's really windy today.
Excellent.
All right, now here's the secret. Weather talk is perfect for small talk.
Small talk.
Yes, small talk is light, friendly conversation, not deep, just polite and easy.
Oh, like when you meet someone and you don't know what to say.
Exactly. You talk about the weather.
Okay, give me an example.
Sure. Imagine you're in an elevator with a coworker. You can say, "Nice weather today, isn't it?"
Oh, nice weather today, isn't it? That's a question, right?
Kind of. It's a question tag. We add "isn't it" to make it friendly and conversational.
So I can say cold today, isn't it?
Perfect. Or "lovely day, isn't it?"
Lovely day. That means beautiful day?
Yes, British people say lovely all the time. Lovely weather, lovely day.
Oh, I love it. Okay, what if the weather is bad, like lots of rain?
Then you can say terrible weather, isn't it?
And then you complain together.
Exactly. That's very British. Complain about the weather, bond with strangers.
So weather talk helps you connect with people.
Absolutely. It's safe, easy, and everyone can join the conversation.
Smart. Listeners, practice this. Say, nice weather today, isn't it?
Nice weather today, isn't it?
Cold today, isn't it?
Lovely day, isn't it?
You sound so natural already.
All right, Max, let's do a little role play. Ooh, I love role plays.
Okay, imagine we're at a bus stop. We don't know each other. I'll start the conversation.
Okay, go.
Cold today, isn't it?
Oh, yes, freezing. I should have brought a thicker coat.
I know, right? The weather forecast said it would be warmer.
The forecast is never right.
So true. Anyway, nice talking to you.
You too, stay warm.
Perfect. See how easy that was?
Super easy. Just a few sentences and we had a nice conversation.
Exactly. Now, listeners, it's your turn.
Imagine you're at a cafe. Someone sits next to you. What do you say about the weather?
Pause the video and try it out loud. Seriously, practice.
We believe in you.
Okay, now let's have some fun. Let's learn weather idioms.
Idioms. I love idioms.
Me too. First idiom, it's raining cats and dogs.
Cats and dogs? What does that mean?
It means it's raining very, very hard, super heavy rain.
So not real cats and dogs falling from the sky?
No, it's just an expression.
Good, because that would be scary.
Very scary. Okay, next idiom, under the weather.
Under the weather? What does that mean?
It means you feel sick. Not too sick, just a little unwell.
Oh, so if I have a cold, I can say I'm feeling under the weather.
Exactly. It's a polite way to say you're sick.
Nice. What's another one?
Well, every cloud has a silver lining.
Ooh, that's poetic. What does that mean?
It means even in bad situations, there's something good. Stay positive.
I love that. So if I lose my job, but then I find a better job, that's a silver lining.
Exactly. Every cloud has a silver lining. Stay hopeful.
Beautiful. Listeners, remember these idioms. They make you sound fluent.
Super fluent.
All right, Max, let's recap. What did we learn today?
Great idea. First, we learned basic weather words: sunny, rainy, cloudy, snowy.
Second, we learned to use it's for weather. Not I am hot, but it's hot.
Third, we learned natural phrases like it's beautiful today and the weather is awful.
Fourth, we learned how to talk about temperature. Hot, cold, warm, cool.
Fifth, we learned small talk phrases like nice weather today, isn't it?
And finally, we learned idioms. It's raining cats and dogs. Under the weather. Every cloud has a silver lining.
Wow, that's a lot.
But you can do it. Just practice a little every day.
Exactly. Start with one phrase. Use it in real life, then learn another.
Small steps, big progress.
You've got this.
Oh, wait. Before we finish, I have a bonus tip for you.
Ooh, a bonus. Stay till the end, everyone.
Okay, here's the tip. If you want to sound super British, use the word dreadful.
Dreadful. What's that?
Dreadful means terrible, awful, but it sounds more polite and British.
So instead of the weather is terrible, I say the weather is dreadful.
Exactly. Dreadful weather today, isn't it?
I sound so fancy.
You do. Very posh.
Okay, listeners, if you want to impress people, use dreadful.
But only for bad weather. Don't say dreadful for good things.
Right.
All right, everyone. That's it for today.
You did amazing. Seriously, you learned so much.
Now go practice. Talk about the weather with your friends, your coworkers, even strangers.
Don't be shy. Weather talk is easy and safe. Everyone does it.
And remember, every conversation is practice. Every mistake is progress.
You're not just learning English, you're becoming confident.
We're so proud of you.
Okay, now tell us in the comments, what's the weather like where you are right now?
Seriously, write it down. It's sunny, it's rainy, whatever it is. Practice.
And if you loved this episode, give us the thumbs up, subscribe, and share with your friends.
Next time, we'll teach you how to order food at a restaurant without feeling nervous.
It's going to be so useful, you don't want to miss it.
Until then, keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember,
every cloud has a silver lining.
Perfect. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.